Well, Domino 10 looks really cool. I've seen the new iPad app for Domino applications, which is a big thing for our customers. So when this will be delivered, I guess Q4, it will be a big thing for us as a business partner as well. Thank you very much.
Means back to the future, I hope. Let's bring back the good old times when we were ruling the world of email and application in 2018, 19, 20 and 25 and going on.
Okay, what it means to me, Domino 10, that means that I have a lot of happy faces and a lot of happy customers.
It's the best Lotusphere ever. It's a dream come true, and the Notes applications on an iPad, I've been asking for that for years. It's huge news for us. We won't have to rewrite all of our apps and still be able to mobilize them. It's very good news.
Yeah, Domino 10 announcement. First thing is IBM's commitment to go further with this terrible platform. The mobilization, iPad and Notes client, it was not thinkable years before, and now it's coming, standard. And what we hear, integration, Watson integration. That's not only a thing with Domino 10, but it's a possibility, artificial intelligence, to put it in existing Notes databases.
So, we're starting with Domino then, now and forever.
We need it. We need this new fix. We need to take the necessary time. We need to move fast, and Domino 10 is the answer.
Domino 10 is awesome for my customers and for me.
It's a very exciting announcement because it will mean that we can leverage the existing infrastructure of Domino, use the existing applications to bring all the functionality to the future. It's very exciting that we have so many new capabilities coming in such a short time, so I'm really looking forward to it.
I mean, it's going to leverage all the previous investment that we've made on the architecture for all those years. It's bringing a new smile to me.